Here within the anechoic facility, you see a typical machine setup behind us. The noise testing array takes the form of 11 microphones positioned at 1 metre, 4 microphones positioned at 7 metres, and 6 microphones covering the conformal surface method that we use to compute the sound power level emissions for the EU Noise Directive. The machine runs a maximum of 3 hours 20 minutes within an automated cycle, and this cycle captures all the acoustical information that we collect for our marketing literature. This literature is distributed right throughout the globe. Here within the reverberation room, you'll see the slight peculiar shape of the room and the addition of the diffusers. And that's what helps us create the diffuse noise field under which we conduct the two test sequences that are primarily carried out here. Firstly, absorption testing of materials, and secondly, transmission loss. The shape of the room is slightly offset, and the addition of the diffusers create this diffuse noise field under which these two test sequences are conducted. The noise is generated using the speakers, and the noise is quantified or measured using the rotating boom microphone. The test piece is located within a frame located on the floor and gives a uniform area under which the sound energy can propagate. The second part of the test then utilises the room as a source room, impinging on the frame constructed in the wall behind me as a test piece, and we simply measure the source in the room here and the received noise that propagates through the test piece in the Hemi-Anechoic chamber adjacent.